Hey collectors, here is a look at Old Man Bruce Wayne and Ace from McFarlane Toys from the Batman Beyond animated series, and I would like to thank Bro Depo for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the box, there is a picture of Old Man Bruce and Ace, plus where this item was ordered from, and no other details of what characters McFarlane has for the Batman Beyond line. Once you open the box, you will get the card for the characters, the action figure stand, and the figure in a plastic tray. Old Man Bruce comes with his cane, multiple sets of hands, and of course Ace. And to remove them, you have to undo those plastic ties that binds Bruce to the plastic tray. To avoid damaging the figures, remove those straps from the back of the plastic tray so you won't scratch the paint application or the plastic of the toy itself. And because of his bent posture, Old Man Bruce stands around 6 inches tall and has multiple articulation like other figures from the Batman animated line, also from the Superman line and the Justice League. Ace stands below 2.5 inches tall and has limited articulation, which is too bad because there are a lot of poses you can put him in besides Old Man Bruce. The figure can be posed in simple action stances, but I don't suggest doing this without the action figure stand because of how little the feet are. And besides, in the Batman Beyond animated series, being an old man, Bruce only barks at Terry at the Batcave other than giving him some advice. With Ace, there isn't much pose that you can put him into because of its limited articulation. The only part of the body which you can do some real maneuvering is the head because it's in a ball joint, and other than that, even though the tail can be rotated, it doesn't help much if you want to put Ace besides Bruce in some action poses. And here are the other Bruce Wayne that we have so far in the Batman animated line, with the expression pack, the fully armored Batman Bruce Wayne, and Old Man Bruce. And if you're wondering, yes, you can interchange the heads for all of these figures. It's a good thing that McFarlane Toys revived the animated line for the Batman franchise cartoon series. I hope they expand with the Justice League and the Superman series too. And because this Old Man Bruce and Batman Beyond prices skyrocketed, now new collectors can get him at a lower price point. And for size comparison, here he is with Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit and Yamcha version 2.0 Dragon Ball by SH Figure Arts, with Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie by NECA, and Voltes 5 from the Voltes 5 anime series SMP line by Bandai Model Kit, with Snoopy from the Great Pumpkin toy line by Playing Mantis, and Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight trilogy film by ModoKing Model Kit, with the Nightfall black and gray version of Batman, and Asbats or Azrael with the Knight's End Batman armor, both figures from McFarlane Toys. With Steve Rogers or Captain America Endgame version and Serpentor from the G.I. Joe Classified line, both figures by Hasbro. And finally, with Batman from the Expression Pack by DC Collectibles, Condiment King Build-A-Figure from McFarlane Toys, Mr. Freeze from McFarlane Toys Condiment King Wave, and Superman from the Superman Animated Series by DC Collectibles. And with that, thank you all for watching, and see you all again next video.